G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. I'm a little under the weather, but that's okay. But it's a sad time because the car wash shutting down. We are closing down the car wash today because we're going to redo all the breaker box. We're going to redo the wiring, and the car wash cannot operate without the power. So we're going to shut off the main breaker and figure out what we got to do. So let's go shut down this car wash. So it's been a while, a couple of weeks since I posted a video on here, but I can't remember what I put in last time. I don't know if I showed you this, but look at that. That's where the new breaker panel, transformers, they're all gonna go in here. So I got in the back of my truck. I'll show you that in a little bit. What else have we done? We put the air dryers up here with the PVC pipe going along, running along the roof. We don't want to use the hose because it has problems. It always cracks, it always comes off, but the PVC ain't going nowhere. So again, once we're gonna close it down, we're gonna get rid of all these. They're all gonna go in here. So it's gonna be stripped. All this crap hanging down, all these solenoids, all these wires, it's all going. So I cannot wait to set it up all nice and new. Like I said, this will be clear. All it's gonna have is the pumps, the motors. We're gonna redo all this old stuff, and it's gonna be freaking beauty. Oh, look, brand new guts inside my build changes. So obviously that build change has been working. That came with the car wash. And just the other day, we put this brand new one in, retrofit kit. And this one I'm gonna keep as the old BC 1400. I got so many spare parts. I got that. So with all these spare parts of the old one, I'm gonna be able to get it working. So, but yeah, that new one's pretty cool. So now I got two build changes. Going, gone. So today is really where all the work that we've done in the last couple of videos really comes together, and we're gonna be closed for, I would like 1 week. It's probably gonna be 2 weeks because it's one hell of a job. Like I said, the heavy lifting's all pretty much done. During the close down time, we're gonna paint the place, we're gonna put the signs on the wall and hang the hoses in and get it all going. So it's all gonna come together very quickly once this is done. These are my 10 function rotary switches, which we still have 3 to fix. All nicely labeled. Look at that, foam brush, high pressure soap, triple foam. So when there's a problem, you know what to check. Money. And then of course we have the low pressure systems, the triple foam, the soap brush, and the triple foam tanks and the tie cleaners up here. I just have these covering them because I didn't get the plastic covers that they should have sent, but I didn't get them, and that's too bad. So I just put this on there because while we're working around, debris goes flying around, and you don't want debris in the tank because then it's going to get sucked up through the hydrominder and up through here and up through the solenoid. It's going to leave the solenoid open and it's going to leak in the bay, and that is not what we want. All this is going, that's going. All this is going, and the breakers to these are on the outside in a separate box. So we're going to bring them inside, like I said, in here. So this is the panel I'm talking about. All the pumps and motor breakers are in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, one for each base. So like I said, we're going to take them, put them inside, because being out here is just a pain. Imagine if someone cuts this lock off and they push them all and they shut down the car wash. We don't want that. Should I keep this? For nostalgic reasons? Probably not. Water conservation. Self-service car washes use less water than you may think. I like that sign, it's correct actually. Here we have this, wow. And I want to show you what I've done on top of the roof here. Not much more than what I did before, but it's kind of cool. Let me show you. So these are the air dryer pipes. So a little bit of slack. I believe I'm gonna have to put some blocks under here, maybe some blocks of wood just to support it, I guess. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere, but it's always good to support things when it gets really windy. And then I put these new high pressure hoses on. So these are the old ones. Look at that, look at these old ones. And I got brand new ones. And they can pretty much go wherever you want once I strap them all down. So that's kind of cool. One for each bay. Brand new high pressure hoses, wide braided, should last quite a while. Yeah, pretty cool. It's gonna get dry in the sun over the years and get a little brittle, but you know what? They're like 20 bucks each. So I'll just switch them out whenever I need to every couple of years. Why not? So yeah, this is pretty much the completed roof. Completed roof, almost. Good enough. So it's time to break out the sign that I have a love-hate relationship with, because we're closing down the car wash so the money stops coming in, but we're renovating it and making it better. So you might recognize this banner from Fontana Car Wash. It says under remodel opening soon. So I'm recycling this from the last car wash. Let's get it out of here. It's pretty big. So it's time to grab the cone. I already had 3 bays blocked off anyway. There was only 3 open. Bay 2 breaker kept shutting off. Bay 4, the pressure was really weak. Bay 6 has nothing. There we go. Closed, shut down. But actually another dilemma that I didn't think about is that banner is where can I put it? The roof is like that wide, so I can't put it on the roof. The first wall is like a tiny little short wall, so I can't put it there. I don't know where to put it. So that's what I'm talking about, the roof. You can't go on the roof. That banner's like 4 feet high. The roof's half a foot high. This front wall is a little person height, so I can't go there. Where can I put it? On the back wall? People probably won't see it. I might have to strap it in between these poles. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put it in between those 2 poles with some rope or whatever I got to use. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe. I don't know. So let's check it out. The panel, the famous panel. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. I don't know what most of it is, but thank God my guy does. We got the terminal strips, contactors, breakers, and whatever the F these are. Oh my God. Very cool. How much did this damn thing cost me? So let's have a looky-loo inside of here. Wow, empty. Ready for that panel to be put right in. Pretty much the same thing that I did at Fontana, for those of you guys who watched my Fontana renovation video. Same thing. You guys ready to see it? There it is. Inside, nice and neat. Vacuums will be here. This will be the selections in the bays. So we've got bay 4, bay 5. They're going into here. And it's all very nice, neat, and beautiful. So I'm very happy with that. This is a big, huge, it's locked. Keys there, but I don't want to open it, so that's a big huge transformer. So very cool.